Yo, so I made this simple AMV edit. I'm going to show you the process of how I made it, and you can make it too. Alright, so the first thing is what I'm working on is the audio. So pick a song, drag it, and mark the beat by pressing M on your keyboard. Sometimes you might have to listen to the audio multiple times to get it right. Alright, it's done. Boom. Now I'm going to work on the video. So have your videos and audio, whatever you want to use, have them ready before you start editing. Now what I'm doing is looking for the scenes that I want to use. I'm going to split this up, but when you do it, take your time and decide what part of the video or the clips that you want to use. Just a reminder, the aspect ratio for this video, or the size, is 1080 by 1080, so it is a square video. And here's what the video looks like after the syncing. Now we're done with the audio and the video. It is perfectly synced up, ready to go. Right now what we're missing is the transition, so we're going to try to make a simple, clean, basic, fast transitions. On the first clip, I'm going to try to do a screen pump transition, so basically like zooming out and in really fast. I'm going to play and let's just see what it looks like now. Now we're going to work on the second clip, so it's basically the same process and I'm using the same transition. By the way, I'll show you a trick where you don't have to do transition manually again and again if you want to use the same transition. And here's what the video looks like now. So that was just a zoom in and out transition. Now I'm going to try to add fisheye lens transition to make it even look way cooler. So here's what it looks like. Check this out. Now for the last part of the transition, the most important part, what we're going to do is add some sort of shake to it. Give it a little bouncy flavor, add some texture. Now here's the cool trick. If you want to use the same transition and you don't feel like making them again and again, all you do is copy and paste event attribute. So that's basically what I'm doing, is just copy, paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, just like how you do your homework. So you could easily do that if the length of your video clips are the same, or else you might have to just adjust them manually, which is still faster, but in my case I didn't have to do it. Now I'm going to show you a really cool trick to add watermark to your videos. It's kind of like a fake 3D, but it's really not 3D. So this is how you do it. Basically grab a text and choose your font, size, color, whatever you want, put your name there. After you're done, now you need to figure out where you want to add your watermark. Just look for a good place. In this case, I'm thinking something around maybe here. Now you need to trim the video and make it fit. Now here's the trick. You want to copy the clips that's below the text, then you want to paste it on the text layer just like before. Now if it doesn't look good, you might have to do small adjustments. That's what it looks like, but I want to change the position for the text, so maybe at the bottom or top. Now that looks pretty amazing. Leave a like if you agree, and if you disagree, I need you to leave a comment below. Now here's the last part. It's kind of easy and kind of not. So the last part is basically we're going to be adding some food coloring to make the video come to life. So it's basically, it's easy, kind of not, but I have my own presets. Sometimes I just adjust them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the final step is you want to check the project property and remember these numbers and go to rendering. Make sure you highlight the area you want to render. Now I usually go to Sony AVC and click on one of these options, and you want to change these settings to whatever the project property setting was. So mine was 1080 by 1080, and that's pretty much it. You want to name it, render it, click, boom, you're done. If you have learned something from this video, please consider subscribing because I have free transition preset packs coming out very soon.